Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lemon Coders. So this is BCG Data Science and Advanced Analytics Virtual Experience Program. And if you want to register, this virtual experience program is free for all students. Before I proceed on this video, uh, in this channel I give new job updates, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it and like this video, because if you don't do that, you will not get new job notifications on your YouTube. So that will lead you to miss many of the job opportunities. Like you can see, I have made video on Zoho. SD is hiring, IBM is hiring for associate system engineer, Hotstar system engineer is hiring for more than 12 lakh per annum package. Many AstraZeneca is hiring for web developers. Sony Research India is hiring for backend developer interns, and most importantly, Netcode is hiring for backend developer hiring challenge. It is an off-campus recruitment process of 30 lakh per annum package. And you can check, I have made many videos on last days. So make sure you go visit these videos and apply, and you will get the apply link on the video description. So do subscribe my channel and do watch these videos and apply on these job applications. Coming back to this data science and advanced analytics virtual experience program. So if you can read, there is written. So what exactly is a virtual experience program? It is the perfect opportunity to take on practical tasks similar to what our very own BCGers would work on, and get a true feel of what it is like to work at BCG as a strategy consultant, technology consultant, and a designer, which will give you deeper understanding on what BCG does and help set you up for success when you decide to apply with us. You can read what is the benefit of this open access data science and advanced analytics virtual experience program. You will earn a digital badge when you complete the BCG virtual experience program. You will earn a digital badge to share with prospective employers and your professional network. Learn direct from BCG. The program has been created by leaders at BCG. Will receive instruction from the BCG team and compare your work with real model solutions from BCG. Do it in your own time. Fit the program in with your busy schedule. Learn at your own pace and reach your personal goals. Set yourself up for success. No more apply for a job without knowing what the role involves. Build the confidence and practical skills that employers are looking for. Gain real work experience. Throughout the program, you will develop deep insights into what it actually like to work at BCG. Discover if this career is for you. Nearly 50% of the hours your awake are spent at work. Discover if this is the right career path for you. What you will do in this open access data science and advanced analytics virtual experience program is business understanding and problem framing, exploratory data analysis and data cleaning, feature engineering, modeling and evaluation, insights and recommendation. And this program is self-paced and it takes 6 to 7 hours to complete this virtual experience program. If you want to know more, you can come up to this website. I will provide the link on the description, and do subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you want to apply for more companies, like Zoho is hiring for SD, IBM is hiring for associate system engineer, and more importantly, Netcode is hiring for backend developer hiring challenge for 30 LPA. And if you can see that Morgan Stanley is hiring for third and fourth year students as intern, Uber is hiring for interns, Tata Healthcare is hiring for CTC of 7 LPA. And if you want to keep updated with new job opportunities like this, you may have missed these job applications on your past, but don't miss them in future. So do subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.